I was born to be free. I was born to be free.
Hey, yo! What's up, gang? How y'all doing? Listen, man. Good morning, everybody. Good Monday morning. Actually, hold on. Actually, it's a good Monday morning if you've been listening to me. If you haven't, and you're on the other side of this blood, it's not so good of a morning. And I'm not here to say I told you so, guys, okay? I'm not here to say I told you so, because the truth is I've been saying that this was gonna happen since 3 hours. What am I saying? Since like $3,000 ago. $4,000 ago. So I'm gonna be the first to admit that, you know, maybe the timing in terms of where the top may have potentially been and whatever else, maybe the timing is off, but the idea is still there, okay? And we're gonna talk about whether or not I believe this is the top, where I believe the top may have been. But before we do that, guys, I want to say good morning to everybody. And y'all know I'm gonna say good morning to each of you individually, but I want to start by saying here, okay, weekend volatility was nil, okay? Absolutely none. Trash, right? Nothing happened. However, I gave you guys the update. I gave you guys a couple shorts, okay? Gave you guys a couple shorts, and I gave you a riskier short as well, okay? I just want to say this. Look, and I said I prefer down and then up, honestly. I mean, this was when we were still trading the range. We were over here. And guys, this was the position that I posted. It was this position right here. And this was actually the high of it. Okay. So let's hide this box. We don't need this box right now. My chart is an absolute mess. I did TA yesterday. And then as soon as I finished my TA, we had this massive dump. So I got to do it again. Still haven't done it. But listen, hear me out. Okay. This point in the chart right here was this point right here. Okay. That was right here. And I said, okay, look, I prefer down than up. Perhaps we come up, hit the short zone, whatever, but I was saying that. And I said this too. This is a riskier trade, but it's still valid. I still took it, and I will hold it all the way down to 42.8 if it lets me, okay? Now, we fell obviously quite a bit more than that. Yesterday, we had a massive dump, and we're going to talk about what I think is going to happen, guys, because the title and the thumbnail, they're I don't want to say they're clickbait because they're not. There's a very big possibility that this was the top. And again, we're going to talk about it. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. But listen, if you guys were in the VIP section, which is free in my Discord, then y'all had this trade set up. I'm going to remove it off my chart now because we hit it. Actually, maybe I'll make a short about it. We'll keep it on the chart for now. But we'll just hide it. And we did have a couple other positions that didn't actually get filled. That's why I was saying this was a riskier one. Hey, doesn't change anything, guys. Doesn't change anything. It is what it is. We nailed the short perfectly. We had a very clear invalidation, and we're sitting pretty in the green. So, as I say good morning to you guys now. Not as I say good morning. Let me say good morning to all of you guys. A Wild Ransom said, let's get money. Yo, right before this stream, because I can't because of copyright, I was listening to I Get Money by 50 Cent. I was like, I get money. I get money. I get... Man, I missed y'all. I gotta say, I haven't streamed for 3 days. I don't work on weekends. But man, I actually miss streaming. So, what's up, A Wild Rancid? Good morning. Good morning, sir. How are you? Michael, greetings. How are you, my friend? This is in the house. Bro, you gotta tell me how to pronounce your name because I never know. I'm sorry. Is it Dice or Dis? I don't know how it is. But yeah. All right, Mario's in the chat saying we go with the flow. Yes, sir. Hey guys, just found Geo like your style. Let's do this. What's your name? Your funeral. I'll tell you this. It is some people's funeral today with all the blood that's on the streets. But guys, listen, I'm gonna get into it, okay? But this isn't even that much of a dump, guys. We're gonna talk about it. This ain't even that bad. However, your funeral, welcome to the channel, man. I'm glad to have you here, and I'm glad that you like my content, and I'm glad you like my style. So let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Welcome to the pharmacy. All right, Carl Carlson, what's up, man? Anybody knows what's the song? Which song are you talking about, Bearish Bull? Looking to get high, explore a new world. Good morning, everyone. No need to panic as long as a 12-hour order block holds. We'll take a look at that. Oh, Igor's in the chat. What's up, my brother? How are you, sir? All right, treadmill's rolling, Geo's knowing, my wallet's showing and growing. Yes, sir! Rahard says, yo, Geo, how do you think after this dump we'll see Bitcoin hitting the order block above? We're going to talk about all of it, man. We're going to talk about all of it, guys. Good morning. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And, guys, listen, I know Bitcoin is dumping. I know there's kind of some panic and cause for concern or whatever. And I know the number one question that you all have, okay? The absolute number one question. There is no other question that's more important than this question. I know. Why is Geo wearing a Santa hat? And guys, I'm going to tell you why. On top of the fact that your boy is thugging, which I'm not going to lie, I don't even know what that means, but your boy is thugging. Every Monday until Christmas, I am doing giveaways on my boot camps. So make sure you guys stick around because I am I'm gonna be a little Christmassy. All right, we ain't gonna be a Grinch. Well, I mean, we're gonna be a Grinch when it comes to the markets because we're gonna. I think December is not gonna be looking too hot. But anyways, we'll talk about it. But I'm gonna do some giveaways, man. I love Christmas time. I love the holiday season. I do not ever say, and I will never say Happy Holidays. It is Merry Christmas. And yeah, we're gonna do some giveaways. So make sure you stick around so we can get our giveaways going. Bearish Bull says the intro song name. I had 3, bro. I had 3. There's 3 songs in the intro. Did you want the money one, or do you want the Born to Be Free one? Or do you want the other one that's kind of irrelevant? Money or Born to Be Free? Let me know. Mr. Fides is in the chat. What's up, G? How are you? This is the taste of what's all the FOMO longs you will see. All right. So while we're waiting for the Bearish Bull to let me know which intro song he's referring to, let's talk, man. Let's talk. We gotta talk. All right, we gotta talk. If you don't win, you don't take it to the next one. First to eat 12 hot dogs. Listen, my bootcamp contestants from last week didn't even do their thing. Like, so they kind of snaked me on the return here. But nonetheless, I am a forgiving Santa. Guys, hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Let's get right into this price action here. The money one. All right, let me show you. Let me link it. And then and then we'll get going here. We used to. Oh, you know what, bro? It's actually coming up in like 2 songs. So when it comes up, we'll go through it. We'll go through it. All right. Okay, let's go over what's going on here. First things first, guys. Whenever a big move like this happens, do not FOMO, okay? Whenever a big move like this happens, no matter what happens, do not FOMO. Man, there's a lot of volatility, and what the market is experiencing right now is kind of shock. Okay? Now, this kind of dump. I don't even want to say it's a dump, man. It's a kind of dump, okay? It's not that big of a dump, guys. It's 5% in a world where we've been literally up only for 2.5 months straight, okay? So basically, if you're new, let me just go over the sentiment here because, you know, you're new and you don't know. I've been talking about a minus 20, minus 25, minus 30% day or week for a very long time, okay? Is this gonna be the week? We don't know. We're gonna find out. But I'll tell you this, Bitcoin just put in its 8th consecutive week in the green, okay? And when this happens, it triggers FOMO like no other. We're gonna be talking about long-term targets. We're gonna be talking about 13K, not in the way that you guys think, right? I say 13K and you guys are like, whoa. So it's not gonna be like that. But we are going to talk a little bit about 13K. And, you know, we got to go over a couple things. So full disclosure before we start. I actually longed. I did a degenerate long. Okay, it was not a good idea, but I did do it. So I am long from 40,600. Okay, $1,100 from now. I am long. I am also short from 42.3, so $500 ago. Okay, I prefer the shorts over me preferring the longs. Okay, I prefer the shorts over preferring the longs. Why do I prefer the shorts? Let's pull up our market Cipher V. First of all, for the first time, Dyson. All right, Dice, got you, bro. I'm sorry. I will remember it now. I'm just gonna call you Dyson because those are fire. Anyways, listen. First things first, guys. Very first things first, right? When we have a massive dump, remember, we're always going to trade the range. But what do I prefer? For the first time in a very, very long time, okay, we're having significant money come out of Bitcoin. Guys, it has been 2.5 months of straight up, okay? Straight up, okay? For those who don't know this indicator, it is called Vivid Wave. It is basically like Market Cipher B, but it's a little bit better, and I am slowly starting to convert, and I'm dropping. I'm probably, not for sure, probably gonna drop Market Cipher and use this indicator instead. But it's still the same idea. We still have our dots, we still got money flow, we still got momentum waves, we still got VWAP, whatever else, okay? So for the first time, you guys can see, man, we're starting to get actually pretty decently thick red money flow on the 2-hour time frame. And just like we were saying on the entire move up here, the thicker the money flow, the more chances for divergences. There's no set rule with it. It's not like, all right, money flow is considered thick at minus 22. No, but just look at it relative to its previous point in time. Market Cipher and Vivid Wave are the most powerful when you look at it relative to its its more recent period in time. Okay, and so since we are doing that, we, relative to its past, have pretty thick red money flow. So we have opportunities for divergences. Okay, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. Now, does that mean we're gonna 100% diverge? Not necessarily, but I want to show you guys a little thing that I noticed here. Okay, let's take a look here at a couple of differences between this dump and the previous dumps. All right, the last big notable dump that we had was in the middle of November. It was about a month ago. Okay, it was about a month ago, and money flow is kind of looking similar, right? Like this point is kind of looking like this, right? It's kind of looking similar. But there's two key differences, okay? Let's do this. Let's take our screenshot. Let's move it over and let's compare the two. So on the left was the middle of November. Okay, this was the middle of November, and this is now, right? So it looks pretty similar, right? Thick money flow, kind of. Started to come into the red, whatever. We had our dump, we had our recovery, okay? What are the key differences that I'm seeing here? Don't mind the lines, don't mind the SFPs. What are the key levels that I'm seeing, the key differences? Number one, okay, when we had this move, we did have momentum waves starting to come down. However, we did not get a divergence here, okay? We did not get a divergence back here. Whereas in this dump, so I'm just going to say this month and last month, so it's very easy to differentiate, but you guys know this is last month, okay? Like middle of November. So in the middle of November, right, we had the waves coming down. We had the momentum waves coming down, but we did not get any divergences. Here we have the momentum waves coming down with very thick money flow, but we did get a liquidity sweep, okay? We did get the liquidity sweep, indicating that it's more of a, let's say, a significant high. What do we know about the market? We know that the market is moved by money. We know that the market makers are the one that move the money. And we know that it's designed to wreck all of you and myself, to wreck retail. Okay, so here we had the divs. Here we did not have the divs. Why am I pointing that out? Look at this dump that we had, which kind of is a little bit reminiscent of the dump that we currently have right now, right? We consolidated for a little bit, did really nothing, and then we had to move to the downside. By the way, guys, later this week, I'm coming out with a very easy Market Cipher strategy for you to be able to catch moves like this. Very, very easy. It does not take a lot of brain power, and you don't really need to know how to do that much TA to get into these trades, okay? So make sure that you're hitting the sub button and the notification bell so you don't miss that, because that video is going to be coming out this week, okay? All right. So here we had the liquidity sweep. Cool. Why is this one different? Look at how back in November, as soon as we had this scam dump, right, a few hours relatively, we came right back up, okay? So this was a fake out. Look at the difference now. Now we're starting to consolidate, right? In November, when we had this dump, let me make it bigger. When we had this dump in November, you can see, yes, we consolidated ever so slightly, right? We did consolidate ever so slightly, but wait. Okay. We consolidated ever so slightly for like 2 hours, 4 hours maybe, and then we shot right back up. So if we are going to have this move be reminiscent of the last move, we are running out of time. We can't consolidate here. We need to come back up and recover the vectors, okay? Now, I want to mention that there are vector candles. And if you know anything about vectors, you know that that's where the liquidity is. Again, if you're new here, welcome. You're probably not too familiar with the vector candles, but stick around the channel. You'll learn a couple things. And I'm telling you, Vivid Wave or Market Cipher paired with vector candles is a game changer. Anyways, so we are a little bit reminiscent of the past, okay? The only difference, really, which is a very big difference, don't get it twisted, is that we took liquidity. We took liquidity this time. We did not take liquidity last time. So let's get rid of the last image, and let's come back to here. It's significant. Why is even taking liquidity significant? Why? Remember, the market makers need you to commit your money, okay? They need you to commit your money. And the way that they do that is by the vector candles, right? When you see a green vector candle, that is retail longing and market makers are selling. And that just, the proof is in the pudding, okay? The proof is in the pudding with it. Look at these green vector candles that market makers were selling the entire move up, right? Market makers are selling the whole move up. Then they stop price, consolidate it, trap traders one more time into thinking, oh, breakout, and then rip it to the downside. Now, you can say the same in the opposite direction, right? Red vector candles are market makers buying. So is this going to be the high? This could be the high, but are we going to get somewhat of a retracement? We could, and we're going to dive into Market Cipher on the lower term time frames here. However, still currently, I favor the shorts. Now, guys, listen. This is the song, by the way, for whoever was asking, the Let's Get Money song. You guys know what I got to do right now, because I got to do that every stream. So while this plays, this is what I need for you guys. I need you guys to drop emojis. Listen, if you're new here, again, welcome. But if you're returning, I need you guys right now. If you're returning, I need y'all to have my back. If I have helped provide value to you in any way whatsoever, free, I give free value, guys. Hold on, let me pause this song. Let me pause. 1 second. 1 second. If I have helped provide value to you in any way, please show your peers, guys. Help me grow. I really appreciate it. I give everything for free. If I have helped provide value right now on this drop, and I'm going to be back in 2 minutes, and I'm going to let the music play, and then we're going to get back to the fire here, okay? If I have helped provide value in any way, show me the money bags in the comments right now. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, let's show our peers. Let's welcome them into our community. I'm going to restart the song. We're going to hit it. I want to see the money bags, baby. Let me see the money bags in the comments. If I have helped provide any value, please do me a favor and show your peers. Show your peers. Let's get money, baby. Let's go. And I'll be right back in 5 minutes. Let me see the money bags. Money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags, money bags.
Money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money.
By the way, this is the name of the song.
Me, motherfucker,
Be right back.
Money. Let's get money. Let's get money, motherfucker, get money. Let's get money.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Oh, my days. Let's get money. Okay, guys. Man, y'all know the couple times that we get our party going in the chat, that's the best part of the stream. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. What's the company that makes Vivid Wave? The Pivotal Trader, and I saw a couple people talking about Vivid Wave as well. Guys, I will have more information on Vivid Wave for you soon. Okay, I'm working with the developer. Dyson is making me laugh. I'm working with the developer, so I'll have more info for you soon. So stick around in the Discord. Yo, you know already the efficiency, bro. I am so fast, man. I'm telling everything I do, bro. Yo, I eat, man. I make, for example, my breakfast. I make and I eat my eggs. I swear to God, in like from start to finish, from cooking to like putting it in the sink, is like 3 minutes. I eat so fast. No way, that was a dump. I'm telling you, bro. And like, I mean, we're not gonna get too graphic with it, but it was a high quality, high efficient one. Bro, I'm so fast, man. Yeah, it's Vivid Wave, but you guys, listen, it's not a company. It's like, you're not gonna be able to look it up. It's not like established or anything. I am going to be the face of it, potentially. Anyways, I don't want to talk about that right now, because I'm still working out deals. So I will, man, you guys know, I try to give you guys as much value as possible at the cheapest price and as cheap as possible. I'm not the creator of this indicator, so I don't have a complete say in the pricing. But more info soon, guys. More info soon. And listen, unless you hear it from me, do not buy anything, okay? I don't want someone to come in the Discord and start saying, oh, this is the link to Vivid Wave, send me $50. No. Okay, unless you hear it from the horse's mouth, unless you hear it from Santa's mouth, don't buy it. All right, anyway. All right. So look, couple things, right? So we purged liquidity, we swept liquidity, and we came down. The difference when you sweep liquidity versus you don't sweep liquidity, what's the difference? The difference is why. Remember, when you sweep liquidity, they are trapping traders, okay? And guys, I scalp. You guys know I scalp. I use 100x leverage. Man, guys, you're not going to be able to find it. You're not going to be able to find it. It's not a public thing. I am going to help make it public. It's not, you're not going to find it on Google. It's a private script created by one dude. It's not a team. I am going to, it's very early development still, basically. And I am potentially, nothing is confirmed, potentially partnering with them. So that's why I say wait for me to announce. Because if I don't say it, then it's not real. And I'm telling you guys right now, as of right now, it's not real, okay? It's like money, it's not real. Anyways, listen. The difference when you purge liquidity. Traders are trapped up here. And not everybody 100x leverages the way I do. Okay? Not everybody 100x leverages the way that I do. Some people 5x leverage and they just, they see prices going up. They hit long, 5x leverage, and then they don't even put a stop loss. They don't know what they're doing, and they just YOLO it, right? So think about it. Think like a market maker. You guys know, I tell you always to think like a market maker. Why would, if the market maker trapped liquidity up here, right? There's liquidity up here. People committed their longs up in this zone. Actually, even further up, like this. This is all, look at the wicks, right? Look at the wicks. This is liquidity that is like trapped. This is trapped liquidity. If you were a market maker and you knew some people were still holding their positions, remember 5x leverage allows for, and by the way, some exchanges don't even go higher than 5x leverage. But anyways, 5x leverage allows for you to have 20% drawdown. So these guys are still chilling. Okay, they're only down 25% on their positions. If you were a market maker, why would you send price back up to recover the liquidity? Right? These guys that shorted here, why would you send the price back up, especially if you purge liquidity? all that will do is allow these people to get out at break even, or allow these people to get out at a small loss, as opposed to their strong losses right now. We cannot deny that we have been in an uptrend for 2.5 months without any real repercussions. And I talked about this in yesterday's video, guys. This liquidity grab that we had to the downside got bought up really quickly, right? It got bought up again real fast, and still really nobody really was punished from their longs, like in this whole move up, because this wick didn't even take, like, it only took this most recent low, which was so close to this second most recent low, and it couldn't even break that. Okay, it couldn't even break the second most recent low. So these are different. Although they look the same on Market Cipher, and although it is possible for us to come up and recover these vector candles, you have to think. Remember, I teach you guys, why does the market move the way that it moves? Why? I don't want you guys to just, oh, it's a green dot, let me long it. I need you to understand why, okay? Because when you understand why and the market psychology behind it, it will really help build you confluence with what may happen next, okay? So these vector candles can get recovered, okay? This is a 2-hour time frame. The higher the term time frame, the less time, usually in most cases, the longer it takes to recover the vectors, okay? So when you start to see vector candles on the 4-hour and the 8-hour and the 6-hour, right? It doesn't mean, like, it's more probable than not that we're not going to just shoot back up right now, okay? We very well may, but it's more probable that we do not come back and recover the vector right away. So we're on the 8-hour time frame right now. Look at how we had a strong green vector candle, and then how long did it take us to come and recover that vector candle? 2 weeks, okay? Or sorry, what am I saying? 2 weeks, 1 week, 5 days, okay? It took us 5 days to come back and recover this vector candle and then sweep liquidity to the downside. We also recovered this vector candle as well, right? Almost to the dollar, okay? Almost to the dollar. So this whole thing was about a week. So could we expect to go back up? Potentially. But if we're being honest, it could take a week. It could take 2 weeks. We could not even get back up there. I don't know. But the higher the term time frames that you're seeing the vectors on is a clue. It should tip you off and say, all right, we might not necessarily be coming back up here anytime soon, right? We might not necessarily be coming up anytime soon. We might get a little bit more to the downside, because the higher the term time frames you're seeing the vectors, the longer they take to recover. And you're seeing it now, man. We're dumping. And for me, man, you guys know I've been talking about it for a very long time. Now, we talked about the vector candles. Let's talk about one other thing, and then or two more things, and then let's get into like trading the range, okay? Look at how we still have coins in the green, okay? We still have Turb, Trib, whatever, Render, BNB. I'm kind of surprised at, you know, OP, whatever. We still have these random coins still in the green, which is fairly interesting, okay? That's interesting for a couple reasons. Why are these coins in the green if Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance is so high up, right? But Bitcoin is dumping. Why are these coins still in the green? When we have, how do I say this? This dump, I'm not even going to say it's a dump. This is nothing, guys. And this is where I'm going with this. If you guys remember, you guys need to remember because this is still questionably a bull market, okay? It's questionable. Anybody that says it's a bull market is lying straight to their teeth, because they don't know. We don't know if this is a bull market, and we don't know if this is a bear market rally, okay? We don't know, and nobody knows. There's no definitive answer to it. I'm not saying it's not a bull market. I'm saying I don't believe that it's a bull market, but I'm definitely not saying that it is or isn't, because I don't know, right? And I need you guys to remember, in the undeniable bull market, right, in the past, in historic times, in the healthiest bull market possible, we still had minus 20%, minus 25% days and weeks, okay, in an undeniable bull market. right now, we are not in an undeniable bull market. No matter what anybody tells you, we are not. We could be, but we don't know. So it's not undeniable. Okay, perhaps we have to wait for hindsight to know that. But we are not in a bull market for sure. And so why am I saying that these coins are interesting? On the days where Bitcoin dumps 20%, 25% in an undeniable bull market, none of these coins are in the green. Okay, none of them. In fact, altcoins bleed usually harder than Bitcoin does, right? Especially when dominance is up. And relative to previous times, Bitcoin dominance is pretty up there. Okay, so what am I trying to tell you? I'm trying to tell you that, guys, this is not even a dump yet, right? In the heart of a bull market, we have minus 20% days. We haven't even gotten that. And on top of that, we still have somehow coins in like plus 15%, which is not a small number, okay? So what I'm trying to tell you is that wait for when a dump happens where no coins are in the green, okay? When BNB can't survive above water and Render is not above water. You know what I'm saying? Trib is not like in the clouds. Like, I don't know what this even is, right? Wait for those kind of dumps. And then, okay, you know, then we can talk, guys. I honestly, look, right now, I don't see any reason to come back up. We'll dive in on the lower term time frames. There's one reason, there's one way that we might come back up, and we'll dive back into it, right? We're going to trade the range, and we're going to do what we do. But I need you guys to keep that in mind, okay? And the last thing before we dive in on the smaller term time frames. By the way, guys, I'm giving you all this fire for absolutely free every single day. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're turning, welcome back. I said that a couple times already, but listen, please do me a favor. Hit the like button for me if you haven't done so already. We got 82 people in here, and only half of you have liked it. So either y'all don't like free information, or y'all don't like free money. Y'all don't like my free call outs that I give you. I give you everything for free. Or y'all don't like Santa, or you don't like my voice, or you don't have fingers. One of the above. Okay, one of the above. So please do me a favor and hit the like button for me. It helps support me for free. And I can keep making these videos for you, man. All right, and the last thing, guys, I want to talk to you about is 13K, okay? Now, I'm not suggesting that we're going to 13K from now. Not what I'm saying. It is impossible to know that, okay? But I want to talk about 13K in a different way than what you guys would expect. Okay, let me actually get my TA shades. I forgot I have my shades on. Let me get my TA shades back on. Okay, so I want to talk about 13K and how 13K is kind of relevant now. Not in terms of pricing. Like, not in terms of we might go there. Let me explain, okay? 13K is interesting. 13K is interesting. Why? Everybody a year ago, right? Bitcoin bottomed out a year ago. Let's come on the daily time frame. Bitcoin bottomed out 1 year ago. Where are we? Down here, right? It was December, I think. Yeah, okay. December, November. So Bitcoin hit its bottom about a year ago. Okay? Give or take. Why am I talking about 13K? Everybody was waiting for 13K. Everybody. Okay? And what happened as a result? Because everybody was waiting for 13K, it didn't happen. Okay? And if you've been around crypto, you've been around the markets long enough, you should know that when people are waiting for something, and when the narrative is one way, it usually does not play out. Okay? 13K is interesting. It did not play out. Everyone was calling for 13K to be the low. And whoever was waiting for it and didn't buy in probably missed this whole leg up. Because they were like, nope, we're going to 13. Nope, we're going to 13. Nope, we're going to 13. And they were super stubborn about it. Okay? Now, why is that relevant now? Okay? Same that happens on the downside. 13K. People missed it. The same thing happens to the upside. Okay? I don't know about you guys, but the sentiment to me, high five, my boy. The sentiment from what I'm seeing on YouTube, what I'm seeing around the table, the talk around the table, which I made a video about yesterday, is everybody and their mother are talking about 48K, 48K, 47K, 50K. Everybody. That's the top, or we're going there, we're doing that, whatever. I will tell you this for absolute certainty. I don't know if we're going to 40K or 48K or 50K. I don't know. Okay. And nobody knows. So anybody that tells you it's going to happen, they're lying. They don't know. We don't know. Okay. Nobody knows. But I will tell you this. If everybody's talking about one thing, usually the opposite happens. Now, there's two ways that it could happen oppositely. Okay. Number one is we front run the level just like we did with 13K. Right? We front ran 13K. Just like we front ran it. We could front run 48K. Okay. We front ran 13. What was the low? It was like 15 what? 15.8? Okay, give or take 15.5, let's say. So we front ran by 2.5K, okay? And here we had the high of 44.7, 44.8. If you front run it by, let's say 3K, that's 47.8, which is basically 48. Or if you want to say, oh, one was 3K, one was 2.5K, whatever. Doesn't matter. Between 47 and 48K, we front ran it by the same amount that we just front ran the low a year ago. Okay, we front ran it. That's one way people can get thrown off. People are expecting the short. People have been shorting this entire way up. People were waiting for it. Now that we came so close to 48, people are like, oh, I'm going to wait for 48. I've been shorting this whole way. I've been wrong this whole way. Let me hit the short button at 48K. We're going to 48K. Option one, which is looking like it's happening right now, is we front run 48K, right? We front run 48, and this was the high, and now we come down. And guys, you know, man, you know, don't be naive. If you're new here, you might not know, but if you've been here, you know, man, we've been talking about this liquidity for so long, guys, for so long. So don't think that we cannot come down and you think, oh man, there's no way Bitcoin's gonna break the low that we just put in today. Bulls are so strong. Bulls are so strong. We're buying it right back up. Guys, we're not buying it right back up. This dump is different than last one, which I illustrated earlier. Okay? There is a lot of liquidity. A lot. And I'm going to tell you guys this. And I said this, and I've been saying this, and people laughed at me, and people said I'm a perma bear and whatever, which is the stupidest thing in itself because I'm not a bull and I'm not a bear. I'm a human. Like, I don't know why people say, oh, the bulls, the bears, whatever. Like, we're human. I mean, I long and I short. I go both ways. So in my opinion, the terminology is dumb AF. But anyway, whatever. People are like, oh, Gio, you're a perma bear. You've been calling for 34K for 2 months and whatever. But guys, like, look, the idea is there. You know, remember, I teach you guys why the market moves the way it does. Anyways, I'm rambling. So that's option A, which is looking like it's playing out right now. We front run 48. The second option, option B, is to just completely blow through 48K, completely blow through 50K, and then reject from somewhere that makes no sense. Just like bouncing from somewhere at 15K made absolutely no sense. And basically, guys, that is the long-term narrative, okay? That is the long-term narrative. So I'm going to check the comments. I've been talking for quite some time. I'm going to check the comments. Rabbit droppings, bro. It was so not a rabbit dropping. You take longer just to pee. All right. Can I check Litecoin? Yeah, I'll check Litecoin in a second. Can I look into Litecoin? Wow, a lot of people want Litecoin. I'm long Litecoin. Can you check and tell me your opinion? Someone call Billy scam Casper. You need a wick entry. Mad love Geo. Hey, respects, brother. False move Monday. I don't know, bro. I don't know. All right, let's zoom in here. And then we'll do Litecoin. Okay, let's zoom in. So we're getting our little dump right now. Okay, we do have this golden pocket from the low to the high. Is it gonna hold? I don't know, man. I really don't know. I'll tell you this, guys. The sentiment across the board has been buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. What happens when the dip keeps dipping, man? And I've said this, there's so much liquidity below us. So for you to just YOLO long, and by the way, this works for all assets across the board. So we'll look into Litecoin for sure. I'll look into it for you. But I'm going to tell you guys, all assets across the board, it's not looking good right now. We are still we're still going to trade the ranges. It doesn't mean never long, But I mean, objectively, guys, we've been longing. We have been longing for 2.5 months. How many more dips do you need to buy? You know, how much more can you ask for? Oh, no, don't worry. We're going to go back up. Guys, it's been 2.5 months of non-stop up. Okay, non-stop up. Right? And so don't be surprised if we get 2 more giga candles to the downside over the next couple days. I think it's going to be a red week. We've been talking about it for a very long time. Now let's talk about if we're going to recover it, okay? Are we going to recover it? We know vector candles like to be recovered, and we know that the higher the term time frames, the more time they take to get recovered. We know we have a lot of liquidity below us, and we know for seemingly the first time, we are starting to close candles below significant points, okay? 4-hour market structure has officially, thank God, by the way, officially flipped bearish. Okay? 4-hour market structure is bearish now. Right? We just put in a lower low. And so if we retrace back into this area here, we are to be favoring shorts. And I told you guys, I made a video last week saying I'm a little bit reluctant to long, and I'm going to be favoring the shorts. Right? So we're going to talk about now what we're looking at in terms of retracements and short-term stuff, but nothing's changed, guys. We are to play the range. In the meantime, guys, I need you guys to hit the like button for me, please, because we got 88 people in here, only 60 likes, and I'm going to go into the short-term time frame analysis right now, but I need those likes, man. I need those likes. So I'm going to stop talking. We have 90 people in here and 60 likes. Let's get in the middle. I need 75 likes. I'm going to turn the music up. I'm going to put the shades on until I'm at 75 likes, and then I will continue. I need the likes, man. I give you all this for free. Gio, quick question. So if you look at the 10-minute chart, if I look at the 10-minute chart that I am already on, there are so many golden nuggets with no follow-through on price. How do I know which one will follow through? Let's come on the 10. Okay, so let me tell you why these golden nuggets are not following through. And I actually need to make a follow-up video on the golden nuggets. Okay, let me write this down because this is gonna be my next video. I've been talking about making this video for so long and I just like haven't had the time. Hold on. Let me write this down. All right. The reason why these golden nuggets haven't played out is because they are not like, okay, the golden, remember the order of operations is VWAP, momentum wave, money flow, right? These golden nuggets, they need to front run a significant wave. And I would not consider, like, these golden nuggets here, I wouldn't consider this a significant wave. And I'm going to define it. I'm going to make a video on it. But for me, a significant wave is like a bull div, like mainly a bull div wave or a super deep wave, which this is neither. Okay. So let me put it to you this way. If we took the low, right, we had a massive wick. Okay. We had a massive wick. If we came down and we took the low, like if we were seeing this, but we came down and we dumped like down to here, then I would consider it to be a significant wave. Because then we have our bull divs as such, right? But as of right now, currently, until we take this low, this is not a bull div. If we take this low right now, like in the next, I mean, this is 10-minute time frame. So in the next hour, let's just say we come and we take this wave, then this is actually going to be very bullish. And we are going to be able to say, all right, these golden nuggets will play out. Right? Will play out. But I need to see the golden nugget on what I consider a significant wave. And I'm going to make a video on that. I've been talking about making a video on that for so long. I know, man. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I've been so busy. But listen, this month, like, things are ramping up, man. Things are ramping up. Content is going to be ramping up. And you guys are going to get purged a lot more often. By the way, guys, speaking of purge, if you're new here, I have a... the Discord is in the description down below. And I have a free VIP section. All you have to do to join the free VIP section is watch my videos, watch my live streams, and enter the 4-digit code that I give you guys in the videos. to my GeoBot. After every single video, I remove everybody from VIP, and then you have to send a new code to the bot. The code for this video, the code for this stream, is going to be the same as yesterday's, so it's going to be 2044. Okay, I'm not purging you guys today. If you're already in the Discord, make sure if you're already in the VIP, you don't need to do anything. But if you're not in the VIP, this VIP code is 2044. So head on over and DM my bot 2044. Please do not put it in the chat. Don't put it in the main chat. My mods will ban you if you do that. And yeah. All right. You can't like twice. All right. Let's look at Litecoin real quick. I'm gonna look at Litecoin real quick, because at the end of the day, man, it's all gonna follow Bitcoin. Okay, it's all gonna follow Bitcoin. Man, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. You know what? We need to check CBD. We actually need to check CBD to know what's gonna happen here. Okay, so people are shorting. We actually do have bullish CBD. We do actually have bullish CBD. People are shorting. Price is not getting lower, but CBD is leading until it's not. Okay, CBD is leading until it's not. But we do actually have bullish CBD, and the whole market's gonna follow Bitcoin. So if people are shorting, let me actually take profit here. Should we take profit here? Let me come lower. Let me see what's going on here. Yeah, I should take some profit here. I'm gonna take some profit here. Let's take a good 50% out. Let's secure the profits, and then it doesn't matter what happens. It don't matter, boy. What's my position right now? Oh, whoops. I just closed my position in full. Okay, well, I'm no longer short. I accidentally closed it all. I literally did not mean to do that. Whatever, it is what it is. Okay, so listen, the market is going to follow Bitcoin, right? Market's going to follow Bitcoin. Dominance is up, especially like relative to where it's been lately. Dominance is up, okay? We're going to trade the range. It's as per CBD, people are shorting. We have bullish CBD. Okay, we do have bullish CBD right now. So that is something to consider, right? Let me look at Litecoin real quick, and it's all going to follow Bitcoin, guys. It's all going to follow Bitcoin. I can't believe I just closed my whole position. My God, I'm so stupid. Okay, hopefully it comes back up and we can find somewhere to short. Let's take a look at Litecoin. LTC USD.P. Let's go Bybit. Let's do this guy here. Let's check it. Okay. So Litecoin was in a pretty significant order block. Same as Bitcoin, right? Same as Bitcoin. We do have the red vectors that we can come up and recover. Right? We do have the red vectors that we can come up and recover. Money flow right now is starting to head up, and we did start to get significant divergences here at this wave. So what I would say for Litecoin is it's honestly probable that honestly, I'm going to say this for the whole market, guys. I think we're just going to range here for a little bit. I don't think we're going to pump later today. I don't think we're going to dump later today. I think we're going to just kind of chill around here. And so I'm going to say we're going to keep playing the range. And for Litecoin, let's pull up our let's pull up our volume profile. So we're currently right now taking the value area low, and if we hold it, we're probable to come up to the value area high. We also have a bunch of liquidity here, same as Bitcoin, right? It's all the same as Bitcoin. We have a bunch of liquidity that we can come and grab. And keep in mind, Bitcoin CBD is bullish, so it's probable that the entire market is going to get somewhat of a retracement back to the upside. For Litecoin, what I would be looking at is, I don't know where you're long from, Jennifer, but what I would be looking for are liquidity grabs, right? And so like this to me is an obvious SFP that we could be looking at for Litecoin, because it's a significant high, right? It's a significant high. So we need to be... Did my value area just change? Why is my value area changing? It's weird. I never seen that. Anyways, what I would be looking for Litecoin is for price to come back up, recover, you know, basically the range, make its way back up to the value area high, and then I would reassess at that point. But I honestly think that we're gonna just continue to range. I really do think we're gonna continue to range. The midterm time frames. Remember, the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences that we have. Let me see the 30. Okay, so 30 right now is giving us an anchor trigger, as they say. However, money flow is still thick, and I personally am not convinced that we're gonna hold this wick necessarily. Okay, because we have thick money flow for seemingly the first time in quite a while. I want to see a divergence, right? So for me to be comfortable longing, properly longing, for me to be comfortable, I would say it is more it's a more high probability trade setup, and this goes the same with every coin, guys. But for me, it's a more high probability trade setup to take the low again. So I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin. I know we wanted to talk about Litecoin. I want to go back to Bitcoin for a second, and I want to talk about really what I'm gonna be like expecting, and the whole market's gonna follow it, guys, because money flow is getting thicker and it's starting to like, all right, whatever. I think it's probable that we're gonna range. So I think we're gonna come up, maybe take this high, maybe come up to here, then come back down, whatever, do our range. In the end, if we are going to continue higher, which I do believe, remember, I'm not saying the top is in. I'm not saying the top is in. We could go to 50K. We could blow past 50K, as I mentioned earlier on the stream, right? It is definitely a possibility. I want to see this wick taken, because we haven't taken any wicks this whole way up. We haven't even made any wicks. And this is the second wick now that we've put in 2.5 months. And the first wick got bought up right away. This right now is not being bought up right away. So I want to see us come down and take the wick one more time. And of course, I will give you guys updates in the VIP Discord later on when I'm not on stream as to what I think is going to happen. But I believe we are just to play the range. We just got to play the range right now. We just got to play the range. That is all complicated for me. The only reason you're not in my Discord. Technologically challenged. Oh, man. I'm sorry, man. It's the only way I can give you guys the levels for free is to have the bot. You gotta put in the effort, board. You can't be handled free content without effort. Yeah. You've been messing around with it. Confused the hell out of you. You don't know me. Don't tell me. Whatever. You had no issues with Casper's VIP? Yeah, but Casper's VIP you gotta pay for. Yeah, man. I always, dude. I can't believe I accidentally closed it. I'm actually so mad. But whatever. I'll just play the range, man. It's no problem at all. No worries. No harm, no foul. All right, man. So let's see what we could expect now. Let's see. Look, so Bitcoin looks like it's rejecting from the VAL. Right. We do have a lot of liquidity that we can grab, though. We have a nice liquidity curve. So let's see, man. Let's see what happens. Let's see. I can't believe I closed my position by accident. Oh, my. That is so sad. That is super sad. All right, so 1 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute are all kind of indicating here that we're likely to reject from this value area. Let's see what happens, though. Let's see. We do actually technically have bull divs with money flow and momentum waves. Or sorry, not momentum waves, just with money flow. Right here, we have money flow coming in, but we had price making a lower low. However, we did print a blue vector here. So we could say maybe, perhaps, we have somewhat of a retracement here. And let me check 1 minute structure. Yeah, 1 minute structure is still bearish. Nothing really significant. It's looking like we're going to reject the value area and we're going to come down a little bit lower. As of right now, it's looking as such. We don't know yet. But it is looking like that. It is looking like that. Let's see if this is a cheat sheet entry. Let's pull up our get our traders reality going. Where are our EMAs? This could be a cheat sheet entry. Probably is. Probably is on some time frame. We could come up a little bit higher for it to be a cheat sheet entry. So we'll see, man. We'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll see. It all really depends here on the value area. All depends on what's going on here in the value area. So would I long the value area? I would not long it. I wouldn't long here. I definitely wouldn't long here. Where's our VWAP? Yeah, I would not long here. Honestly, for me, guys, I would be primarily focusing on shorts. And I said that already. I've been saying that for a long time. Doesn't mean that I won't long, but for me to be like confident with a long is I want to come and take this wick, guys. I want to come and take this wick. And this might not happen right away. This might not happen today. This might not happen this week. This could happen next week. This could happen in 2 weeks. But I would want to come down and take this low. I definitely would want to come down and take this low for it to be like, for me to feel comfortable. Because remember, the whole narrative this whole way up was up only, up only, up only. And it's just been too easy for the longs, man. And we're not even, dude, we're only down 5%. This is nothing. This is nothing. Most of the time on long wicks, we go about halfway into on the retest. So, I mean, yeah, I honestly find that most of the time we have wicks like this, we actually come back and recover it completely. So, I mean, look, for me, I would be potentially looking at longing in this area here. Right? I would be potentially looking along here. If Market Cipher is showing me what I wanted to see. But let's see what other levels we have, man. Let's see what other levels. Psychological levels are way out of the way. So we took this naked point of control. We don't need it anymore. We got any day? We have to have dailies here. Wow, we got nothing over here, man. This is crazy. We have literally nothing down here, guys. We got nothing. Not much is going on over here. We had a bunch of order blocks, whatever. Not even important anymore. That's definitely not important anymore. Let's get rid of this. We don't need it. Let's get rid of this. We don't need it. Guys, we don't have anything really here. Let me check here. Okay, we could maybe take this range. So that's previous VAL. Previous. Where are we now? Okay, so we're at the previous range point of control right now. I mean, look, again, we don't really have much. We don't really have much here. So I would just continue playing the range, but I think that it's not developed enough. So I would just basically play the golden pockets right now. I wouldn't really do anything else. I wouldn't trust any signals. I wouldn't trust Market Cipher B or Vivid Wave or anything really like that. I would wait for some major trade zones. This one looks like a good trade to me. Right? So just the golden pocket. Let me get rid of the EMAs. We know where they're at now. So just the golden pocket / liquidity sweep. This would look good for me. I would want to short up here and I would want to long potentially down here. These are our trades right now. In the meantime, I'm not touching it. So even though I closed my short by accident, I'm not FOMOing. And I'm not longing either. If we get another divergence, which we could get, right, on the 5-minute time frame, we could get something like this. We could go bang. If we get something like this, then I will long that. But unless we're in my box here, I'm not longing. Unless we're in the box up here, I'm not shorting. Very simple. And this is important, guys. Whenever we have a big dump like this, this is how you want to play the range, okay? This is how you want to play it, because right now, remember, the market is in shock, which is funny because we've been saying this for a very long time that this is going to happen, and we haven't even started, in my opinion. We honestly haven't even started. Like, this is not that much to be shocked over. Wait for the minus 20% day to come. And it's coming, guys. It is coming. But is it going to come now or is it going to come in a few months? I don't know, but it is coming for sure. Anyway, this is what we're looking at right now. These two zones, in my opinion, nothing else matters. Nothing else is important. Let me see if we could find another quick scalp zone here. I mean, okay, maybe. All right, maybe, not even for sure, but like super meh. I'm not even interested really in the golden pocket. I don't really care. Maybe actually. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can build our narrative. So we can actually combine these. Let's combine it. We'll do it like that. Okay, so what do we have up here? We have golden pocket plus SFP. This is preferred because this is the range. It would be a range SFP, right? So RSFP. Here we have GP7, more local, plus value area high, VAH, plus point of control, plus golden pocket 7, plus daily and weekly VWAP. Actually, let's do it the other way around. Weekly, daily VWAP. So this one I'm more interested in. And we're going to check for order blocks here now. We have no daily levels. We got no weekly levels. We got no monthly levels. Nothing really significant. Nothing really significant. We're getting our little pump on right now. Cool. Cool. Good thing I closed my short. Accidentally. Sorry. Good thing I accidentally closed my short. All right. So this is our SFP. This is an SFP level as well. So we're going to mark this out in the charts. Let's mark that one. We got to mark these out. Okay. So 2 SFPs here, which we can do, which I think, like, remember, it's not necessarily not going to happen. 2 SFP. All right. This level here, this is a value area low. And then this is our golden pocket. So here we have GP 7. Do we have anything else here? I don't think so. Yeah, we don't really have anything else going on. Let's get our previous range zones. So this is a value area high. No, not interested. Not interested. Not interested. Okay, that's really it, guys. No other trades in my opinion. We're kind of just gonna chill. And we're going to let the market, we're going to let the range develop. Okay. It's very important to let the range develop because when you don't know for sure, then we don't want to, we don't want to FOMO. It is completely okay being on the side. Sometimes no positions are better than being in a bad position. Not sometimes, it's always better to be in a no position than to be in a bad position. So right now, this is what we're waiting for. Right, this is what we're waiting for locally, and I will update this in the VIP. We'll add it right now. Why not? This is all we're waiting for right now. Nothing more, nothing less. I would rather come and take the low. Actually, let's get one more zone. SFP. Let's get one more zone to the downside. Let's see where we could come to. Okay, we do. Let's get our order blocks. This is a higher term time frame order block for sure. 4 hour. Right here. Right here. Okay, we have a 4 hour order block right here. Okay, so here's our SFP. 4 hour. Here's our SFP. This is our long. This is our SFP long. So here are our 4 trades we got right now, guys. We got 4 trades right now. Let's come back to the 15. These are our 4 trades. We got 1, 2, 3, and down here is 4. And my favorite one is this 4 hour one. So we're going to set an alert here. Gonna set an alert. We're gonna do it every time, and we're gonna write BTC taking low. Look for 4 hour order block SFP. Okay, This is a perfect SFP trade. This is where we can look for the rejection, right? Or the yeah, I guess the rejection back to the upside. Perfect. I would love, excuse me, I would love to see that. Okay. Best case scenario. And then here we have our shorts. Here we have our shorts. So I'm gonna add this. I'm gonna upload this now to the Discord. Yeah, to the Discord. Boom. All right, man. Let me check chat. Bybit went lower than Coinbase, Spot, and MEXC. You went long. Resistance 4.2, 4.42. Dumped by the end of the year. Man, I actually think that there's good potential that we're gonna see more blood. Honestly, multiple order blocks though. You have to be nimble in the market conditions. What's the yellow X's? Yellow X's are manipulation. Don't worry, you. We probably take low and fill the wick. Then Powell speaks. Yeah, maybe. What about the CME gap? Oh yeah, there is a CME gap, isn't there? I need to start getting used to looking at the CME gaps because I don't really look at that, but let's see. Oh yeah, we do have a gap up here. Interesting. What other gaps do we have? Oh baby, this is a nice gap. Okay, so from here, from 40 whatever. Interesting. Okay. So from 40 whatever, let's do this. Let's make it red. Let's write CME gap. Very interesting. Okay, so 39.6 to 43.50. 39.6 to 43.50. 39.6. 39.6. Okay, that's actually good confluence with our order block. So this is, I like this zone, man. I really like this level here. I like this level a lot. Very important long. Very important long. Very important long. And remember, guys, hold on. Very important 4-hour OB long. Okay. Remember, guys, look. The market is all psychology. Okay. All psychological. And so when you see price break 40K, remember, we didn't even break 40K. Okay. So when we start to break 40K, this is where people are going to say, oh, you know, Bitcoin is done. It's going to 0. It's going to 13K. Geo's thumbnail is his face and it's red and whatever. And this is what's going to induce traders to go short. And then to potentially come back up and recover these vector candles, right? Now, look. Guys, you know, man, I'm objective. I've been saying we've been bearish. We've been putting in bear divs this whole way up, and we have. Okay, there's no denying that. But what do we know about money flow, and what do I say all the time? Let me come on a clean chart. The thicker the money flow, right? The thicker the money flow, the more chances for divergences. Okay? And so daily money flow right now is potentially giving us the clue that we're going to come back up for one more high, wherever it may be. Remember, I don't think we're going to stop at 48 or 50. I think we're either going to blow past it or just front run it. But if money flows as thick as it is, and this could take weeks, guys, this doesn't mean it has to happen right now. This could take weeks. But if we're going to start to consolidate here for a few weeks and just do nothing, right? Eventually, we could get a nice cheat sheet entry on the daily while money flow is coming down. Get one more pump up, stop out everybody one last time, and then continue the move truly to the downside. Remember, we're just saying that the thicker the money flow, the more chances of divergences. So we got to be aware of it. And this is how we build the narrative. But right now, money flow is still super thick on the 15. And we don't see any divergences. I'm not pleased with it. I'm not happy with it. But as we know, man, we're going to trade the range. And we're not taking any trades until we're in one of these boxes. So we'll set alerts at all the boxes. And there's nothing else you can do, guys. That's it. That is it. We're also finding support at our previous 12-hour order block. But we don't reuse order blocks. So we have our alerts. We got everything set. And now we just chill. Now we just chill. All right, guys, listen. I feel like I've been talking for a long time, and I feel like the chat is a little bit quiet for my liking. So, what better time after giving y'all this heat than to do what we do, baby? To do what we do. We know what time it is. We know what time it is. If you're new here, welcome. And welcome to the party. Okay, welcome to the party. I got the best music in all of crypto YouTube. And if you're returning, do me a favor, guys. Y'all know what I'm about to play. You guys know. Do me the favor. Show your peers. If I provided you value in any way right now, let's see the fire emojis in the chat. If I've given you any free value, if I've made your life better, if I've provided you any value whatsoever, let's see the fire emojis in the chat right now, guys. Fire emojis, fire emojis, fire emojis.
It's just one call away, and you leave him your alone.
And stick around because we're about to do our bootcamp giveaways.
I'll let you be, 'cause he seems like he's good for you, and he makes you feel like you should, and all your friends say he's the
Money bag.
one.
If I provided
His
you
love
value,
for
let me see the
you
money
is
bag.
true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? But does he know your heart?
Yeah.
Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know
Fire emoji.
your heart lies, where it truly lies?
Man, y'all gotta show me more than that, man. Way more. I want to see 200 fire emojis in the chat.
You should stay with him, 'cause he
200. And then I'll check out the Binance chat.
and he makes you feel like you should, and all your friends say he's the one. His love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies, where it truly lies? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies, where it truly lies?
Bang, baby. Thank you, guys. Listen, it is so hot in this Santa hat. And so, you know, it is hot AF. It is hot AF in this Santa hat. I had to take it off, man. I had to. All right. Zigzag says, y'all weak today. I agree, man. The chat is kind of dead, man. I'm the only one with the energy. 200 flames. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shouts out Jennifer. Shouts out Strong Force. Shouts out Sam XBT says my music is whack. Hey, man, listen. I am working with what I got, okay? Copyright free and all. Yo, Gio, bro, if I go to Binance, let's check Binance, man. Let's check Binance. Oh, spot? Bro, I don't know. I didn't know that spot dumped. I did not know that spot dumped. Damn, pump it all to the moon. Boy, shillers that were telling the people to buy the dip last week. Now bearish, warning the downside. Yo, me too, bro. Yeah, but I mean, to be fair, look, I can't sit here and tell you guys completely that I told you so, because I've been saying that this is probable since 38K and we're not even there yet. So, I mean, look, I'm not gonna play both sides. I'm not gonna say I told you so, but I'm gonna say that, you know, we were expecting a move to the downside, and I'm expecting more. I don't even think that it's done. I don't even think that it's done. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Can I do TA on Matic and ADA? Yeah, I can. Okay, we're gonna do macro TA on ADA and MATA. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna be back in 2 minutes. When we come back, we're gonna do the giveaway. Okay, we're gonna do our bootcamp giveaway. Okay, listen, actually, let me explain the bootcamp giveaway, and then I'll get you guys to do it. And then, yeah, I'll get you guys to do it, and then I'll be back in like 3 minutes, and then we'll do the giveaway, and then we'll do ADA and thing, and then we'll maybe call it a stream. Okay, so let me just explain, especially for the newcomers, guys. Hear me out, okay? I currently have 3 boot camps, okay? I currently have 3 boot camps: market structure, order blocks and liquidity, and market cipher B and time frames. Okay, 3 order blocks. Each one is $100. It's the only thing that I charge for. Everything else I give for free. We're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna pick 3 winners. Okay, we're gonna pick 3 winners, and all 3 winners are going to be entered in a competition. You're versing each other, right? Entered in competition, versing each other. In order to win the boot camps, okay? First place is going to win all 3 boot camps for free. Second place is going to win 1 of the boot camps for free. And third place isn't going to win any boot camps, but second and third have the opportunity, if they choose to purchase the boot camps for 50% off. So if you win one of the, you win the entry, you become a contestant, right? If you become a contestant and you don't win, you can still buy all of the boot camps if you want, for 50% off for the next week. Okay, that's how the giveaway is gonna work. Now, in terms of the actual giveaway, the 3 contestants, you are going to compete against each other on my Discord, in the Discord, on video, in front of everybody. You have to show your face. You have to. And whatever you guys choose, you guys pick amongst yourselves. I don't care. I just have to approve it. You guys pick what the competition is. My first round of bootcamp giveaways, they had 5 crackers with no water that they had to eat, and first one to finish and swallow. I have it recorded, okay? The second one, which was last week, they haven't recorded it yet, but we're gonna do it. And it's gonna be like rolling and smoking like a J or whatever. And this one, you guys can pick amongst yourselves, okay? So I just want to make it very clear. You have to show your face on camera. I don't care what the competition is. You guys can decide amongst yourselves, but it has to be on camera, and I have to approve of it, right? You could drink a liter of Sprite, like whatever. I don't care. I don't care what it is. I don't care what it is. You guys can discuss amongst yourselves. For the 3 winners, first place gets all 3 boot camps for free. Second place gets 1 boot camp for free with the opportunity to buy the rest for 50% off. And third place can buy all 3 boot camps if they choose to for 50% off, okay? So we're gonna do the competition now. I'm gonna give you guys a link. I'm gonna pin a link here, and you guys are gonna comment. Let's do it on this one. Let's do it on a good video. Let's do this one. Let's all come on this video here. Actually, you know what? Let's do it on this one. Whatever. Let's do. Actually, you know what? No. Let me find a good video. What video should we comment on, boys? Let's decide. Let's do the truth about market cipher. let's do the truth about market cipher video. So this is what we're gonna do, okay? I'm going to pin this. And yeah, you can see the videos. You can. Here, let's take a look here. I'm gonna pin this. I'm gonna pin it in the comments, okay? I'm gonna pin this video in the comments. This is what I need you guys to do. Okay, this is what you guys gotta do to enter. Come over to the video. And I want you to type. What should we get you guys to write? Let's type. Let's type. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna come to this video and you're gonna type what I just said, okay? I'm interested in the boot camps. Use sexy Santa, okay? Any variation of that, it has to say sexy Santa in it, and it has to say boot camps. Any kind of variation of that. I'm gonna be back. What time is it right now? Okay, it's 11:59. I'm gonna be back in 6 minutes max, okay? 12:05. We are gonna do our giveaway. Remember, you have to be on screen. You gotta be on screen, okay? Non-negotiable. Whatever the competition is, you guys gotta do amongst yourselves. Go over to that video. Type, I'm interested in your boot camps. Use sexy Santa. I'll be back in 6 minutes, and we're gonna pick the winner.
Everything is different now. Took a while to figure out who I'm meant is changing now. I'm getting older, feeling down. Stuck floating in between. I'm moving on and I don't know where I'm gonna go. But let me tell you this, the one thing I now know. When you feel young and your world becomes what it's meant to be, what it's meant to be. In my heart I'm 22, but I know that's not the truth. So I'll just dream beneath the stars. Remember what we used to do, hand in hand, just me and you. Those days just seem so far away. 'Cause time's moved on and I don't know where I wanna go. But no more looking back, there's one thing I still know. When you feel young and your world becomes what it's meant to be, what it's meant to be. When you feel young and your world becomes what it's meant to be, what it's meant to be. I've been heading down a one-way street, can't turn around. You've been taking every part of me, now you know where to be found. You got me confused, a little off balance. Thought I knew you, but you got bad habits. I only see blue when I'm thinking about you, thinking about you.
Bro, what are these comments that I'm reading, man? Yo, y'all are crazy. Y'all are actually crazy. All right, man, listen, I hope you guys did enter the competition, right? We're gonna do it now. We're gonna do random comment picker. Complicated. All right, guys, it has been 6 minutes. It has been 7 minutes, actually. So this is what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna come and we're gonna get some comments. So you guys ready? Please log in with Facebook. Why do I need to log in with Facebook? Okay, one sec. Why would I need to log in with Facebook? That makes absolutely no sense whatsoever. So complicated. All right, let's try this again. Refresh. Don't care. Get comment. No, don't tell me that. Please enter your first. What? Bro, I already. Anyways, man, you guys are crazy. Y'all are crazy, man. These comments. VIP code for this stream is 2044. Same as yesterday. 2044. Why is this not working? Oh my. Okay. So complicated. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. Why is this not working? After copying the link from your Facebook post, it will be saved. What? Oh, it's a Facebook comment picker. I need YouTube. Ah, okay. Okay. Wow, that was so stupid. All right. 4 plus 9 is 13. Get comment. Amount of comments. Okay. All right, guys. So look. So I had you guys all enter the first of all, we're waiting for this zone, okay? No longs until here, no shorts until here, whatever, okay? We're gonna do the giveaway. Remember, there's gonna be 3 winners. You're all gonna be entered in the competition that you guys are gonna decide amongst yourselves, and I'm gonna approve it. You're gonna go live in my Discord. You're gonna come live, and the whole Discord is gonna watch you guys do this competition. Okay? Those are the rules, right? So I had you guys come here. I'm gonna give it 1 minute. The pinned comment. You need to go there and you need to type. What do we say? You need to say sexy Santa and boot camp. Make a comment that says I want the boot camp, you sexy Santa. In the pinned comment. You got 1 minute and then I'm doing it. 1 minute. Crypto King is here. I'm gonna catch up on the chat right now. Candles don't lie. You're crazy, bro. I actually get hit on by dudes literally all the time. It's annoying. Historia Max says Trader Geo is the Crypto King. Thank you, man. Thank you. Do I have an OnlyFans? No, I don't. Maybe one day. The Discord, Historia Max. The Discord, the link is in the description. Link is in the description. And by the way, guys, please make sure you do not send any of the codes in the general chat or in anywhere else. Only send it to the bot. Okay, man. Y'all ready for the giveaway? Let's go. Let's get it, baby. All right. We got 3 winners. Let's see. When you win, if you win, either DM myself or DM one of my moderators your comment with your username. Like on YouTube on the top right. Like click this and comment. Like send a screenshot of this so that I know that it's you. Okay? Let's go. Okay, that was not a real person. Let me refresh just in case the new people were here. Get our YouTube link going. Ready for the giveaway, baby! Ho, 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 boys! Let's get it! Sexy Santa is in the house. We're watching Remote Valley of Pakistan. Wow, shouts out Pakistan. It's pretty crazy that I've, like, made it internationally. All right! Still not good. All right, pick another winner. Pick another winner. All right, the first winner of the bootcamp, our first contestant, not winner, first contestant is FinTube69. Your bootcamp's got me sexy, sexy Santa, he says. So shouts out to FinTube69. Please make sure you DM either myself or the moderators your screen as I just set up here. Like do this, do that, and so we can see that it's your channel. FinTube69. You are our first contestant of the boot camp is right. The price is right. All right. Next one. I'm going to see. Can I do like a game show? Game show copyright free music. Let's see if we can get some game music on. The game show theme. Royalty free. All right. Hopefully I don't get any copyrights here. Let's see. Let's try to make this more fun. How does this? Morning on Discord. Charan, sir, you are the second contestant of our giveaway. And remember, guys, you need to show your face and you need to come up with a creative competition amongst yourselves. And I have to approve it in order for you to win. And it's going to be live in front of the whole Discord. And we're going to have, as the Flintstones sang it, a gay old time. All right, let's go, baby. Congratulations, Charan. Make sure you DM either myself or one of the moderators your screenshot here of your channel so that we know that it's you. And yeah, man, let's get it. All right, guys, last winner, last giveaway. Are you ready? Are y'all ready? Let's get the music up. All right, man, let's go. How do I do another one? Pick another winner. Let's go. Charan, you win again, but we're not going to do that. Pick another winner. Nope. It's not out yet. Vivid Wave is not out yet. I will give you guys more info when I have more info. You did win. You did. You did. P crypto, bro, because you guys didn't end up doing the last one. If you win this one, you will you'll get the next. I know you want the next bootcamp. You'll get it for free. We'll do it like that. So you'll be the third contestant because last week, I don't know, man, you guys couldn't figure it out. Like, whatever. Okay, so congratulations to the winners of the contestants. And yeah. You guys should be able to hear me now. Yeah, my bad. I fixed the volume now. All right, so look. And just to answer Bitcoin, the Vivid Wave thing again. Guys, Vivid Wave is not out yet, okay? It's not out yet. And look, you guys know, man, I try to give you guys value at the best I can. I was gonna send a video. And we can't get time synced. Yeah, I know, man. I know. Hey, Gio, what if the people are smoking a different quality of weed? I mean, I don't know, bro. I don't know what to tell you. I don't care what the competition is, but you guys need to decide amongst yourselves, and I gotta approve it. I don't really care. If one person has worse like smoking than the other one, then like that's a advantage you guys can decide amongst yourselves. I don't really care. Thanks for doing online contests. No worries. Okay, listen. So Vivid Wave is not free. I'm not the one that chooses the price of it, but it's not out yet. And I'll tell you this, I would not be potentially pushing it if it wasn't equivalent to or better than Market Cipher. Okay, so I'll have more info soon. Hopefully I will be speaking with the owner again today. But I just want to show you guys, money flow is the most important thing, and this money flow is literally 1-to-1. Okay, it is literally 1-to-1. It is exact the same, and I've tested it. Literally 1-to-1 is the same. Right? 1-to-1. You can overlay it. Here, let's overlay it. Let's try to overlay it as best as we can. Okay, now because of sizing, right? Like because of image sizing, it's not gonna like be exactly 1-to-1. I'm gonna try to get it to fit. No, that's not right. Hold on. Okay, let's try to get this to fit. Let's make this half and half. Okay, that looks about half. So let's take a look. Now remember, because of photo sizing, it's not going to look exactly the same. But I can assure you, look at that. Look at this. Look, this is probably the closest I'll get it. Okay, so the sizing is never going to be the exact same. Sizing is never going to be the exact same. But, like, just because of photo images and whatever, like, actually, let's see. You know what we should line up? We should line up the VWAP instead of the money flow, because that will be accurate. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah, just because of sizing. But it is, like, you guys can see. You can see it's the same. It's the same. Money flow is the exact same. It's 1-to-1. It is 1-to-1, baby. It is 1-to-1. And so you guys will get more info on that soon. I'll give you guys more info on it soon. And it will be more affordable than Market Cipher. Because Market Cipher is pretty expensive, I have to say. All right. So Bitcoin is getting a little bit of a dump right now. Nothing really too shocking there, right? I still prefer coming down to this order block down here. This would be a beautiful trade. I would love that. All right, but I'm second or first on the last comp, which gets me the boot camp for free anyway. Okay, then you get it for free anyway. Sure. But I still want you to do the competition because you guys didn't do it last time. No CBD. Do I know about K12? I do not know about K12. If it's on TradingView, you can grab the whole script and pull it onto the other script. So like click on the money flow on one of them and pull it down. I can do that. You can do that. Okay, let's try. So if I click on the money flow and I drag it. Oh! Wow. Okay. That's interesting. I did not know you could do that. That makes life way easier. All right, then. There you go. Wait, hold on. Let's make this bigger. Wow, I did not know you could do that. Okay, so we're going to line it up here. Look at that. Dude, that is so helpful. Wow. Okay, there you go. Wait. There you go. 1-to-1. Okay. And I have always said from the beginning, I will never shill you. I will never shill you an indicator that is a replacement for Market Cipher B unless it's 1-to-1. I have used Market Cipher for years. So I only know how to use Market Cipher. So I don't advocate for the free ones. But there you go. You see? 1-to-1. If I don't know if I can make one. Look. 1-to-1. See? See that? See the 1-to-1? Pixel perfect. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I actually like the look of Vivid Wave better, to be honest with you. Dude, that's so helpful. I didn't know you could do that. Thank you for telling me that. That you could do that. I did not know that. All right, man. Let's see what Bitcoin's gonna do, man. Because Bitcoin's kind of been stalling. We do have this blue vector candle that we said that we could come and make a recovery towards. I'm so mad that I accidentally closed my short, but it is what it is. It is what it is, man. It kind of sucks, but whatever. We're just gonna keep trading the ranges, baby. We're gonna keep trading the ranges as we do. When is it gonna be available? I'm hoping soon, man. Hopefully by this week. Hopefully by next week. Hopefully soon. I'll have it for you guys. All right, man. It's been 2 hours, guys. It's been 2 hours. Your boy's gonna go hit the gym and take a couple meetings. So congratulations to the boot camp contestants. Next week we're gonna do it again. Okay, we're gonna do it again. How many more days? You know what? Actually, I think Christmas falls on a Monday, so we'll do 2 more giveaways. Okay, so this Monday we'll do it, and next Monday as well we will do it. Where are my prices? Why does this look so weird right now? Why does this look so weird? Okay, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna do a giveaway. We'll do a giveaway next week, and we'll do 2 more giveaways, and they're gonna be on Monday. Okay, if you haven't already joined the Discord, the link is in the description down below. And I'm going to keep you guys updated in the Discord. I'm going to go hit the gym right now. These are the only trades right now currently that we're interested in. By the way, Vivid Wave comes with this support and like resistance line. It's kind of like an Ichimoku cloud. I'm still testing it, but I will give you guys like for example, Market Cipher doesn't come with this. So I'm still testing it, and I'll give you guys an update in regards to this when we see it. It's called the Smart Trail here. Like I said, man, you guys know I try to give you guys the best value at the most affordable price. Okay, so I'll keep you guys updated in the Discord. Right now, these are the only 4 trades, and in my opinion, I prefer this one. This is my favorite one. I'll keep you guys updated. And I guess the only thing I got left to say here is, guys, if you're looking for an exchange to trade on, cheapest on fees, 0.03%. Taker fee, 0% maker fee. If you don't know what that means, you shouldn't be trading. But if you do know what that means, then you know that MEXC is the cheapest in the game, and it's the best on fees, and you can scalp all day the way that we do. And it is also a free way to support me. So if you choose to do so, I very much thank you. Another way to support me, guys, for free is by hitting the like button if you haven't already done so. That's going to be it for today's stream. I will catch you guys in the next stream tomorrow. I will work on that market Cipher video for you guys. And perhaps actually we'll do it on Vivid Wave. And I gotta get this thing available for you guys. I gotta get it available for you. So we'll see, man. We'll see how it goes. I'll keep you guys updated in the VIP. Make sure you join. The VIP code is 2044. So you know, come over to the top and just DM my bot. Need to open my mouth more. I have another one where I'm like screaming loud. But that's funny. I actually like that. Anyways, yeah, guys, I'll keep you guys updated, man. Not really much went on, but it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. You know, we're not always gonna get a thing. Is CryptoFace gonna get pissed? I don't know, man. I don't really know. Don't really know. I mean, look, it's different. It's not the same indicator. It's definitely not the same indicator. So we'll see, man. I also like, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Anyways, guys, that's it. I'll catch you guys later, and I'll catch you guys in the VIP Discord, where I'll give you all the updates. Happy trading. Sexy Santa out. Peace.
Set my heart on fire.